Alright, what's up, Chin Chompas? We got both the Sparks out here today. We got Coriosaurus 6969. Just made that name up. We're out here doing some CU Spark stuff, so just want to make a video. We were supposed to meet my buddy who has 300 horsepower, but I don't know where he went, so not a big deal though. But I'm just going to show you some ripping on the Spark. I might give it to Corey, let him film a little bit. My prop's kind of torn up, so my wheelies aren't as zesty as they normally are. But oh shit, accident. But anyway, it's gonna be fun. Let's do it. GoPro's not completely waterproof, so hopefully I don't completely fuck it up and drown. Yeah, drown myself. Well, if I drown myself, we got bigger problems. Did you just record the intro? Yeah, that was the intro. Really professional. I didn't know. Your new YouTube channel is Coriosaurus 6969. Go follow, like, and subscribe. Yeah. All right, let's do a whip. So these skis are so freaking light and agile. I'll stop to talk. You can whip them literally as hard as you want and you'll not come off. So we're gonna do a whip. I'm gonna say 40 miles an hour and you'll be able to see if I wuss out on the gauge probably. There you go, guys. 40 mile an hour whip. Fucking crazy. Oh, look, he's gonna do one. He's gonna do it. Oh my god, that was a fat whip. What was that, 40? It looks like it. That's awesome. All right, we're gonna try and do some water wheelies on this dinged up prop. I swear I'm not making excuses. There we go. Woo! 12 o'clock. Ah! Oh yeah, blocking out the sun. Let's do some circles. And I'm out of breath. One really cool thing you can do is get up to straight up and down. And then if you tip over, you can just gas it up and completely recover it. So I'll show you guys that. All right, here we go. Just gas it up. Good to go. Whoa! That was a gnarly one. Woo! Oh, I can't wait to get the Solus prop on this thing. But man, that is proper fun. I'm gonna have Corey film me a little bit and let's see what I can do. always out of breath. All right, guys. So hope you enjoyed that quick video. Just wanted to do some, you know, showcase what the Spark can do. Even not necessarily optimal, but apologize for that. But anyway, C2 Spark. Get the extended, what's it called? Variable trim VTS, and you can make any Spark into a Trixx. So see you in the next one. Subscribe to Bikes and Brass. Peace.